आप फेल हुए हैं, यस, everybody have failed in their life. Anybody who had been successful ever have gone ahead and failed in their life, but what was important at their end was they went ahead and tried again and again till the time they have gone ahead and achieved success. And similar is what we need to go ahead and do. हम लोग अगर हार के बैठ जाएंगे ये सोच के कि दिस इज़ अ फेलियर एंड मैं पहले भी हार चुका हूँ, मैं जीत नहीं पाऊँगा, मैं हर बार हार रहा हूँ या फिर मैं इतनी बार हार चुका हूँ, आप अपने मन में सबसे पहले होप लाइए. अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द लाइफ ऑफ अदर सक्सेसफुल पीपल दैट इवन इफ दे हैव फेल्ड मल्टीपल टाइम्स, दे हैव ट्राइड मल्टीपल टाइम्स. उन लोगों ने बार बार ट्राई किया है, बार बार फेल करने के बाद भी उन्होंने अपने मन में वो होप रखा है और दोबारा ट्राई किया है, और जब उन्होंने दोबारा ट्राई किया है दे हैव गॉन अहेड एंड सक्सीडेड. इफ़ वी गो अहेड एंड अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाई होप इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, we will definitely go ahead and build hope in our life. We'll bring back hope in our life whenever we go ahead and get unsuccessful, whenever we go ahead and get failure. He lost his father at the age of 5 and he started cooking food in order to feed his siblings at the age of 7. At the age of 10, he started working to go ahead and support his family, and he could not go ahead and study any further after 6th grade due to the responsibility of taking care of his family and working. While working, he changed multiple jobs at multiple places. Probably he was not very much confident, not very much happy with what he was doing, and he was actually looking out for something different. Married at the age of 18, he was married, and then one sudden day even his wife left, stating he was a no good fellow because he could not stick on to a job, he was not stable in one of his job. At the age of 30, he started his ferry boat company, and it was a business he started, and then he went ahead and got some success into it. With that particular success, he went ahead and sold all the shares of that particular ferry boat company, and then he went ahead and started manufacturing oil lamps, and it was moving good that all of a sudden a different company came into market with electric lamps and his business collapsed. He was not able to move successfully into the oil lamp business anymore. Now he had to go ahead and look out for a different job. He went outside, he looked out for a different job. He was finding job, he had no money, he was moving into places. That one sudden day he met with the state manager of Standard Oil Company. He was then offered a job in the Standard Oil Company as service station manager. He worked there for 6 years until the Great Depression hit the entire states, and he had to go ahead and get jobless once again. And then again luck favored him, and he got an opportunity to take care of a service station for the Shell company. He ran the business well, and then he went ahead and started his own service station. And after he went ahead and started his own service station, he went ahead and started serving food as well in that place. People from different places who were passing that way came to his eating joint and used to have the food being served out there, as they liked the recipe. It was a popular recipe out there at that moment. He got so successful that he went ahead and purchased a nearby, he went ahead and bought a nearby restaurant, motel in that area, and converted it to a 140-seater restaurant and started his own restaurant business. While all this time people loved his recipes, people used to go ahead and enjoy the recipes that he used to go ahead and make out there in that restaurant, and it was running very good. At the age of 63, again something negative happened with him, and the highway where his restaurant was situated, it got completely shut down because there was another state highway which was made in a nearby place, and people stopped coming that way. His entire restaurant business collapsed, and he had to go ahead and auction his restaurant in front of him because he was completely bankrupt. He did not have any other option other than auctioning his business out there. This was the biggest failure that hit him in his entire life till then. But he did not lose hope. In his entire life in the past, he has learned one thing, and that is to move on. And he did not take it as a negative, as something negative, and he went ahead and thought of going ahead and selling his recipes to different restaurants at smaller prices. He went ahead and walked down to different restaurants showing them his recipe, but none of them ever went ahead and purchased them from him. They rather went ahead and criticized him, stated that he is too old and should go ahead and retire right now, take rest, rather than going ahead and trying out to sell these no good recipes at that point of time. This particular man at the age of 63 went ahead and took 1009 rejections, 1009 rejections for entire 2 years. He moved on to different restaurants, showed them his recipe, but nobody appreciated that. He took rejections 1009 times at the age of 63. And he used to stay in his own car for 2 years, that is from 63 age till the age of 65. Then one fine day, destiny hit him, and he went ahead and met with a restaurant manager. He went and met with a restaurant owner who went ahead and liked his recipe, and they started getting that recipe into their restaurant. Today, this particular restaurant chain has got over 20,000 outlets, 20,000 eating joints across the world, over 118 countries, and territories across the world, with people loving it as nothing else. And we know this company today as Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. And this man who took 109 rejections at the age of 63 was none other than Colonel Harland Sanders. We all know him by his face that we go ahead and still see on the packages of Kentucky Fried Chicken, KFC. We go ahead and find it everywhere outside, be it an airport, be it a multiplex, be it any place. We go ahead and find this particular food joint, eating restaurant popular around. And whether it is a youngster, whether it is a kid, or whether it is a senior person, there is nobody who does not like this particular restaurant recipe. Across the world, we go ahead and find this popular, and this person who went ahead and took rejection all throughout his life and had to go ahead and take rejection at the age of 63 for 1009 times, staying in his own car, but still being hopeful that one day his recipe would be successful, is today a person who has got a big chain outlet after his foundership. He is the founder of Kentucky Fried Chicken. We all know that today it is one of the biggest food joint across. We go ahead and find them hiring we go ahead and find them employing thousands of people, and those people work there because this man had a hope on that day that someday his recipe would be popular across. Now, what we understand from it, what is the understanding from this, the most important understanding, इसमें हम क्या सीखते हैं? हमें यहाँ पे सबसे important ये सीखना है कि we never lose hope. We need to go ahead and keep our hopes high. We have to go ahead and keep ourselves very hopeful. Whether it is a rejection, whether it is a failure, we have to try another time, and we have to go ahead and achieve another time. I'll again go ahead and repeat, when we go ahead and see somebody successful, we just go ahead and see their success. We do not ever go ahead and ask them how many times have they ever failed in their life. If you go ahead and ask them, they will say they have failed multiple times, they have practiced multiple times, they have embraced failure multiple times, and at the end, today is the day they have got succeeded, and it is all because of their hope. They have grabbed that opportunity, and basis on that opportunity, they have achieved their success today. So again, I would go ahead and say, it's nothing other than a simple change in our mindset of getting hopeful every time we go ahead and get a negative failure. Failure is inevitable. Failure आपको लेना पड़ेगा. But आप अगर failure से डर जाइएगा, if you go ahead and fear failure, and अगर आपको लगता है कि आप पहले भी fail कर चुके हैं और अभी आप failure को, अगर आप फेल कर गए हैं इस बार फिर से दोबारा, तो आप आगे भी फेल कीजिएगा, तो ऐसा आपका सोच गलत है. आपको अपना सोच चेंज करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज इफ़ यू डोंट गो अहेड एंड चेंज योर होप, यू विल नेवर गो अहेड एंड गेट सक्सेसफुल. आप फेल हुए हैं, yes, everybody have failed in their life. Anybody who had been successful ever have gone ahead and failed in their life. But what was important at their end was they went ahead and tried again and again till the time they have gone ahead and achieved success. And similar is what we need to go ahead and do. हम लोग अगर हार के बैठ जाएंगे ये सोच के कि दिस इज़ अ फेलियर एंड मैं पहले भी हार चुका हूँ, मैं जीत नहीं पाऊँगा, मैं हर बार हार रहा हूँ या फिर मैं इतनी बार हार चुका हूँ, आप अपने मन में सबसे पहले होप लाइए. अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द लाइफ ऑफ अदर सक्सेसफुल पीपल दैट इवन इफ दे हैव फेल्ड मल्टीपल टाइम्स, दे हैव ट्राइड मल्टीपल टाइम्स. उन लोगों ने बार बार ट्राई किया है, बार बार फेल करने के बाद भी उन्होंने अपने मन में वो होप रखा है और दोबारा ट्राई किया है, और जब उन्होंने दोबारा ट्राई किया है, दे हैव गॉन अहेड एंड सक्सीडेड. इफ़ वी गो अहेड and understand that why hope is required, we will definitely go ahead and build hope in our life. We'll bring back hope in our life whenever we go ahead and get unsuccessful, whenever we go ahead and get failure, and we will go ahead and grab the next opportunity. और जब हम दूसरे opportunity को grab करेंगे, as stated, मैंने पहले अपने दूसरे वीडियो में जैसे डिस्कस किया था, we will definitely go ahead and succeed. So friends, what is important, I'll go ahead and again tell you, is grabbing the opportunity, embracing failure, and bringing back hope in your life once again, learning from the failure and growing to the next level. There is nobody unsuccessful all throughout if you do not go ahead and make yourself unsuccessful. You keep on trying, you will definitely go ahead and get successful. What is important is, do not go ahead and embrace failure thinking आप पहले हार चुके हैं, आप इसके पहले भी हारे हैं, आप इस बार भी हारिएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Take hope, try again, move on, give a better shot next time, and grab the opportunity. So friends, I'll go ahead and wrap up the entire thing stating, never lose hope. कभी भी उम्मीद मत हारना. It is very important that we never go ahead and lose hope. If we go ahead and lose hope, we will never go ahead and achieve our targets. Thank you friends. Please go ahead and like, subscribe and share. आप मुझे कुछ भी लिखना चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू रीच बैक टू मी, आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख सकते हैं. मेरा मेल आईडी अवेलेबल है, आप वहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं, मुझे मेल कर सकते हैं. व्हाट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट इज़ प्लीज़ गो अहेड एंड लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर. आप जितना इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब, शेयर करेंगे, ये हमें इनकरेज करेगा ऐसे और बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनाने में इन फ्यूचर. जो आपको कहीं ना कहीं encourage करेगा in your day to day life. Thank you so much friends, thank you for watching this video, thank you for coming back to humor and inspire, and again I'll go ahead and come back once again with another powerful video to go ahead and kickstart your day, kickstart your life, kickstart your energy, put in some energy in your life and bring back a hope in your life.